Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Rafael from the Java Challengers Initiative, and today we're gonna see a Java Challenger about binary search. Okay, so that's the Challenger. We've got here an array with some Marvel characters, Spider-Man, Venom, Carnage, and Mysterio. And here we are using the amazing method binary search, which enables us to search a string or any kind of value into an array. And we are using our array here to make the search of those names: Xavier, Carnage, Lizard, Apocalypse, and Spider-Man. So I'm gonna give you some time to think about this challenger and let me know when you're ready. Okay, so let's go to our Docker image. Okay, so that's our Challenger image, and let's just build this image. And now let's run this image. Ta-da-da, let's see what is the answer then. Oh,
Oh, very off.
yeah, I think everyone will learn
Dang.
today. Okay, so let's understand why it's this answer. Okay, so let's debug here and let's see in detail what happens. Okay, so here we are firstly sorting our array, and the sort will work perfectly because the type of our values are strings, and on string we have the compare to method overridden. I can even show you. Yeah, as you can see, we have the compare to method overridden. Okay, so let's go back there. Okay, so at this line, our array is gonna be sorted. So let's see now how it is. So it's now Carnage, Mysterio, Spider-Man, and Venom. So the first thing, we're gonna try to find Xavier, but there is no Xavier in this array, so what will happen? Okay, so the first output here will be 5. So why it's 5? It's because Xavier would be the fifth element here. So we've got here those 4 elements, and after V, we have X, okay? So that's why we have the index -5. So binary search is smart enough to identify where this element is supposed to go into the array. Yeah, and for those reasons I just explained, it should be the fifth element. Okay, and then we are using the binary search for Carnage. And then as we have this element inside here, so this binary search would return 0, and as we saw here, 0 would be Carnage. Okay, we just have to remember that our array is sorted, so we would get the first element of our array here. Okay, so that would return Carnage. So let's continue. Here we are trying to find Lizard. So let's just verify here where Lizard would go. So after Carnage, we would have Lizard. So it would be -2. And Apocalypse would come first. So it would be -1. As you can see here on the output, it's -1 as well. And Spider-Man is an element that is in the array. And as it is sorted, it would be 2. Perfect. And yeah, that's pretty much it from this challenger. Do you have any questions regarding it?
I'm good. Thanks for the explanation. I didn't know how the binary search method worked when it didn't find an element. So thanks for that.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure to explain and make Java developers know even more about Java.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yep, I'm good too, Rafa. Thank you. Like Ronaldo said, I did not know how the insertion worked in case of binary search, so that was a good information. Thank you.
Okay, thanks Farah, thanks Ronaldo. Okay guys, so that was the challenger about binary search. So binary search is very handy when you want to find an element within an array. So you probably will go through some situation where you need to do that. So it's very useful. And also for algorithms, when you have to solve a logic problem that is complex and involves binary searching, you can use this method. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. So that's why it's very important to know what tools Java provides to us. So we have to avoid as much as we can to reinvent the wheel and creating code that is already there. Okay, so if you want to get more information and learn more, you can go to javachallengers.com. And if you liked the video, please give a like and also get subscribed, because on that way you're gonna help me out to provide even better videos for you. And please, if you have a question or some suggestion for future content, leave a comment below, and I will answer as soon as I can. And that's pretty much it. See you the next Challenger.